Anong place ito niya? Ang tawag niya? Garden of Morning? Morning calm. So we're still in going Seoul or Incheon. We just came from ano to, yung Nami Island. This is a stopover destination. Observe mo yung sea of blue. Mga ilaw lang yan, no? There's a boat there. Yung palibot, puno siya ng mga ilaw. Okay. Heart. Okay. Very nice. Go there. Okay. Lamig, grabe. So it's freezing cold. Yun, negative 10 siguro to. Kasi tingnan mong kamay, sakit masyado. So painful yung lamig. Nawala ka pa yung gloves ko. Ang ganda, oh. You see? Oh. Oh,